y'all. I want y'all to see this. See, when you leave the city, there's other things you gotta worry about. In the city, you gotta worry about gangs, drugs, you know, too many people, crazy people. But when you leave the city, you gotta worry about Mother Nature. Let me show you something. This is the riverfront. You see how nice it is? You see? You see the walk path? See that walk path right there? So you see it going all the way down? I'm gonna show you something. See that? You see the river? The river is normally lower than this. I'm gonna show you something. We're going down the path. Hey birds. You see? I just want to zoom in real quick. That's the sidewalk, right? Check this out. You see how we get closer and closer? You see the water? You see this? Look at this. Pay attention now. Look at the grass. The bushes. I don't even know the proper term for that. This is crazy. This is definitely like, you're gonna need Noah's Ark. You see? The mud starts. You see the mud? You see? Somebody tried. You see? Somebody tried to come down it, but you can't. See how they're looking? Oh, the flags again on me. This is definitely spiders. A bunch of spiders. Oh, there's a spider right there. Now look. See the mud? Let's keep going. Now, do you see that? You see the moss? You see all that? Now look, came across, path stops, because the river is overflowing. Look, that's part of the branch that matches with this. It keeps going all the way down, see? You actually see the branch underneath the water. Look, see? It goes all the way down. All the way down. It's crazy. See? Now, if it gets any higher, it'll flood. It will reach over the sidewalk. And I'm high. See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at the path. That's supposed to be a path right there. Going all the way down.